Okay, we've been given a Venn diagram, a set of numbers, and the A circle here represents odd numbers, and the B compartment square numbers. And those that aren't either of those conditions will be put outside. So let's consider these numbers one by one. First up, the number 1. Well, 1 times 1 is 1, so it is both odd and square. So if it's in both A and B, we put the number 1 in the overlapping section. Number 2, well, it's even, so it's not odd, and it's not square. So 2 goes on the outside. 3 is odd, so it is in A, but it is not a square number, so it sits here. 4 is not odd, so it's not in A, but it is a square number. 2 times 2 is 4, so 4 will sit here. 5 is odd, but not a square, so it sits here. 6 is even, and it's also not a square, so that's excluded from both of the regions. 7 is odd, but not a square. 8 is even, and also not a square, so 8 will be out here. 9 is both odd and a square. And 10 is even, so it's not odd, it's not a square, so 10 will sit out here. And that's completed the Venn diagram, which is the first part of the question. So now we're asked, find the probability that we're not in B. Well, the things which are in B are 3 items, the 1, the 4 and the 9. And as this is a set of 10 numbers, the remainder will be 7. So the probability of not being in B will be the 7 over the whole lot, which is 10. So this is equal to 7 over 10. And that will be your answer.